welcome back to another video. There we have the e-tron charging up, which is pretty weird in itself. We've got to do it off a 3-point at the moment because the pod point's not turned up, so even though that takes absolutely ages to charge the car up, probably about 50 miles in a night times charge, which is not too bad, it gets you through the day. And there is the C63, the new addition, the newest addition to the garage. Still needs some rear tyres. They're really bald, you can't see, but take my word for it, they are bald. In a future video we're going to actually drag you this car with they're not completely bald, there's probably about 2mm left on them. Then we're going to go and change the tyres for some Michelins, and we're going to do a comparison on does it actually make much difference, you know, time wise. Just realised that's not a good, well, there you go, back on. I don't think that's going to last very long. And there is the M3 where we did the dyno run the other day, made 311 horsepower. So way off the stock figure, but not too bad. And just in time, here's Ben in the RS4. And if you've not seen that before, you must be new to the channel. So if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and I'll introduce you to my partner in crime. Every time you get in this car, there's a new light on the dash.
It's been neglected. This has been neglected, this car.
What's the one today?
Well,
EPC.
EPC lights come on, yeah, but I reckon it's because there's like a loose connection in the boot in there, the boot lid.
I think there's a loose connection in the whole car.
No, there's not. It's just been neglected. There's a loose connection in the boot, so it's coming up with like loads of different light faults, number plate lights, fog lights. The brakes fault is coming on now straight away, and the light level sensor. So I've asked Lisa at Awesome GTI to see if she can book us in and get all of these problems sorted out.
But it has done 164,289 miles, so it's still going all right. It's not too bad, is it?
Still going strong. Do you know, I was thinking about this the other day, you know about high mileage. Obviously the M3's high mileage in it, 158,000 is that done. Yeah. But it's another 4 or 5 years older than this. So this has done more miles in a shorter space of time.
Yeah.
Beast.
Does that actually mean it's a better car, more enjoyable to drive because someone's done, or did we have like the ring run in the M3? It was the ring run, wasn't it? Someone's been going to the Nürburgring every single weekend because it's that good a car.
No, I think you've had, you know, Mr. Salesman up and down the M6, mate. That's what you've had in that car.
I've just realised we've not told anybody where we're going, what we're doing today.
Oh yeah, we haven't actually.
We're getting the RS4 Avant track car. As you might have seen in the previous videos, we've had problems trying to get the bumper painted because the plastic is a weird plastic. But Sean at the body shop has bought a new machine tool to do the plastic welding. And we're going to go and do it, aren't we?
We are.
We are, yeah. We're going to go and do it.
It
can't be that hard. Well, if you've got a tool to do it, the tool does all the work, doesn't it?
You'd like to think so, yeah.
Normally.
Yeah, brilliant, mate. Yeah, cheers for that, yeah.
Good luck getting through there. What are you going to try? Nah, you're not going to get through there, mate. Are you? Maybe you will. Well done. That's your first certificate of the day.
Small things fit in small holes. It's stiff, that, isn't it? What's that? This?
Well, the reason we've got to jack it up is the integrity of that bumper.
Because that bumper's shaped like that, but then the bit in the middle's, it's making it do that, and he doesn't know exactly where he needs to fix it. So he's measuring 2 holes underneath, and then going to get them same measurement on this, and then get the same measurements on that one, so he knows exactly how far to bring it in.
Follow it down, now see there, you up the vertical, follow it all the way round. Yeah, right. Without moving.
Back at skill, innit?
Mate, that means now, although we did a bit of body shop like certification.
I know what you're going to say.
Unbelievable.
If anybody knows where you can buy a portable printer, you know, so we can have it in the car.
Yeah.
Just printing all these certificates out.
Thing is, we're going to run out of room to put them all, like, because the amount of folders we've got already with all these certificates in, I don't know where we're going to start putting stuff.
Go on to that. That's got it. What you're looking for, right? You see the fizz? In the glue there, that's what we want, is that fizz. I know what that is, and we're just going to tack it with that. I don't want it to, because you've got your bumper spoiler at the back. That can go through.
So we've measured the bumper on there
The
to
holes,
get the
where the
holes
holes go, yeah.
So that one is in the right position. We've sanded the plastic down that is going on the new bumper. We've then done the template.
Yeah, out of the paper.
Yeah, cut the plastic. Plastic's now gone on, and now it's going to get plastic welded. Right, need to say thank you to Steve at PowerTech. They're the ones that have supplied the machine to do all the welding and stuff, and they do all body repair tools and equipment. So if you need anything, go and take a look.
Well, they're the ones who've got this posh plastic welder. It's like a soldering iron, you just feed the plastic in.
Because they've done us a massive favour by sorting this out for us.
Yeah, they have. So thanks very much, guys. Cheers for that.
So I was the apprentice last week. This week it's Sean. But I was a 9 out of 10.
What are you going to be doing? Oops, sorry.
No, Steve. What do you reckon? Is Sean about an 8 out of 10 on this? Do you reckon? Come with me. Come on. Go into the office. We're going to have to find the printer for Sean.
Oh yeah, he has.
It's in the corner.
Printer's here.
Get that going.
So certificate
time for Sean. Because I was a 9 last week on the bodywork. He can't be good.
You can't be better than
Can't
me.
be better than me, can he?
No, I'd say let's go for 7 because there's room for improvement there. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's get this bumper sanded down. Just lead me to it.
I tell you what, it's not doing a bad job either.
Go on, Sunday.
I've just offered him a job.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Apprentice.
£5 an hour.
To be honest, I only said I can't leave you on your own on YouTube. So sorry, mate. I'm taken.
Yeah.
Oh dear, mate.
I'm not sweating yet.
Call you the Iceman.
Colt will be off in a minute.
It will be. You're making a meal of this, mate.
This is supposed to be the cinematic, slow motion bit.
All right, not me.
Not you talking. You're slowing me down.
Sorry, mate. Right, come on, hurry up.
Rub that way. This
This way.
Yeah.
rub nearly all that out there.
Yeah, man.
Don't push on there. Yeah, come on.
For anybody who wonders how Lee gets through a day,
What have I got on my face?
hey, do you want the good news, or the good news?
Tell you what, I'll have the good news.
You sure? Which bit of good news do you want?
I'll have any.
You sure?
Yeah, positive.
Right, so I found somebody to do the rear subframe crack thing, shell. I found someone.
You said 2 sets of good newses.
So you thought it was going to be £1,500, 3 grand, 600 notes.
When can you book it in?
Around the beginning of December, how about that?
Book it in then.
Let's do it. You know, like when you let a 4-year-old out to play and you come back home shitting up and your mum kicks off because she's like...
Right, well, can I just say, you're absolutely pristine. Look
Yeah,
at
that makes a change that though, doesn't it?
You're ready for a night out there.
It's usually me crawling around on the floor.
Right, we're coming back tomorrow to finish it off.
You need to... People, if you drive the C63 looking like that, People are going to be like, oh yeah, he's definitely the grafter man around this area. Definitely.
So luckily enough for us, we don't have to do that middle bit, do we? We don't have to sand it down, because that's where the grill goes. There is one issue with that. We've sold the grill.
Yeah, it's like the definition of drop to bollock, isn't it?
It's along them lines. But to be fair, we didn't sell it. Jimmy at Awesome GTI sold it.
Yeah, Jim. Why'd you do that?
Why did you sell the bleeding grill? Should have kept it. You should have known. Anyway, you know, we'll forgive you.
We definitely did tell
so
him
if anyone,
to sell it.
Did we?
Yeah, we did. Both of us did, yeah.
Well, that's not the point. You shouldn't have sold it. So, can you get me 800, a bucket of water, make sure it's soapy, a little bit of heat in it, and the stuff's over there, thanks. Come on, chop, chop.
Whatever.
There you go. And can you put that in the waters and then just start wetting it down, please? There you go.
Considering all I heard you say was 800 and wet.
So, out of 10.
You didn't give me a chance.
We've winged the rest.
Are we starting maybe 3 out of 10 for this?
Bollocks.
No?
It's a strong 7, that.
No.
7?
If you'd have let me put the guide coat on,
Yeah?
would have been a strong 7.
Oh,
No
right.
guide coat, we could end up with scratches everywhere.
No.
It's lucky it's not silver, that's all I'm saying.
Well, yeah. So, I don't know, is that a compliment? We've done good or not?
Yeah, so what he's saying is, obviously if you'd have put guide coat on, it'd be a strong 7, but because we didn't, it's a strong 9.
Why didn't we get that?
I've no idea. So literally we've been sweating here, a pool of look, that's our sweat that. Whilst he's got this whatever that is.
Out of 10?
6.
4.
4? Fucking 4.
He literally just said to me in there, he's like, watch this, because he went, it's fucking 11 out of 10 that, and he's come out and he's gave me a 4, just for camera that.
Do you know what 4 is? 2 times that. So that is it, all done. I think that's come out okay, because I think it's worked out cheaper to do it the way we've done it.
Yeah.
Because if we would have got a brand new bumper or a used bumper, it would have cost us well over £1,000.
Yeah.
So we've got the wing, the bumper, and it's all freshly painted, and it's cost us about £1,000 altogether. Give
It's
or
a
take.
lot of money, but it is what it is, isn't it?
Yeah, but we can't put it on the car because
The RS4 Avant is going into Awesome GTI to be checked over. Mechanically, they want to just make sure it's all running fine. It's getting a Forge oil cooler fitted, so thank you very much to Forge for that. Once that's done, then it's coming here. It's getting put on a jig to make sure it's straight after the accident. Then all the brackets and clips and things are getting bought and fitted for the bumper and wing to actually fit to. And then hopefully once that's done, we can get it on.
oh, and don't forget the grill.
Oh, mate.
Because it's been sold.
And that's it, job done. And we need a headlight still as well, and a mirror.
Thanks for watching this video. Pretty long one. Subscribe.
Thank you.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Ta-ra.
See you later.